Hey guys, what's going on? Got my son here. For today, we're gonna cook some pork tenderloin, sous vide style. Tenderloin from Costco. This stuff is really cheap and super tasty. I've already started seasoning. Put a good amount of salt on here. Now with seasoning, you can obviously always add more salt. But yeah, now for the oregano, it's the only thing I didn't add to this side, and I hope you can see this well. My son's really interested in this. Father and son bonding time. And you know, with sous vide, I always go really heavy on the seasonings. The oregano is such a good flavor. Don't touch. That's raw. So I'm gonna flip these over. I'll get this side. No. The struggle. Here, son. When you sear it anyway. Yeah, play with the salt. That's good. Spread it pretty evenly. So now, how do you season the sides? Whatever's left over, you just kind of roll it. Now this is seasoned pretty well. As you can see, it's going to look great. 140 degrees Fahrenheit is going to give us a medium rare pork tenderloin. Alright, it's finally cooked and it smells and looks incredible. Cannot wait to get this thing seared, so let's go. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's cut it open and see what it looks like. Alright, perfect medium rare. It's still very juicy. The crust is phenomenal. Cannot wait to bite into it. As you can see with sous vide, every inch of this pork tenderloin is cooked exactly the same. Amazing results. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Leave a comment below. Take care and have a great day.